Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have square root of c square divided by c is equals to 8, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. So in the first method, you see that this c is divided by left hand side, and when we move it to the right hand side, we get square root of c square is equals to 8 times of c. And now further in the next step, we have this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get c is equals to, this is 8 times of c. And further in the next step, we move the term c from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get 8c minus c is equals to 0. Further, you see here both of these two terms involve c, so we take common c from here and we get the remaining values are 8 minus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further we have this is c times of 8 minus 1 becomes 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here our target is to get the values of c. So for this we need to remove this 7 from here, so that's why we divide both of the sides by 7 on each of these values. So when we divide by 7, we get this 7 and this 7 are gone, and we obtain here c is equals to, this is 0 divided by 7. We know that when we divide 0 with any other number, we always gives us the answer is 0. So we get the value of c is equals to 0 from first method. And now here in the next step, we need to verify that is this value of c be the solution, or is this value of c be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is c square and its square root divided by c is equals to 8. And now we substitute the above value of c into the left hand side, and we check its behavior. So when you put it here, it will becomes 0 square and its square root divided by 0 is equals to 8. This case implies that you know that 0 square becomes 0, and we get square root of 0 divided by 0 is equals to 8. And further you see here 0 square root becomes 0 over 0 form equals to 8. So the left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, or in other words we say that it is indeterminate form. So if the left hand side is indeterminate form, so or in other words we say that it is undefined. So the left hand side is undefined. This means that uh, these two sides are not equal, and if these two sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value c is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that c is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So you see here in this method we get only one value of c, but it is not satisfied our given question statement. And further you see here we cannot get any other value of c which is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that this question has no solution in general. So this is our final answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for a second method, we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is written as c square and its square root divided by c is equals to 8. So here our second method be the very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So here you see that this 2 and this square root are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are c divided by c is equals to 8. You see that the c and the c are cancelled out by each other, and we get in the left hand side is 1 equals to 8. So if 1 is equals to 8, this means that here the value of c is again does not exist. So if in the second method the value of c does not exist because both of the sides are not equal, and here we cannot get any value of c which is satisfied our given question statement. We just finally concludes about that if values not exist, so it means that the solution is not exist. So we say that this question has no solution in general. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.